Welcome to Top 3's list of the best streaming devices you can pick up today. Roku Ultra. The Roku Ultra makes our list because it just works. It's a no-frills, solid streaming device. It has all the essential apps available, and it's the easiest platform to use. The apps are set up in a grid pattern on the screen, and they're simply called channels. You can click on them to launch an app. It's that simple. Roku offers models that can be purchased for as little as $35 all the way up to $100 for the Roku Ultra. There's also the exclusive Roku channel, which offers a decent variety of movies and TV shows that are ad-supported. Now, these aren't the greatest movies. These are kind of tier 2 movies, but they are ad-supported and you get them for free, so why not check it out? It also supports 4K video and Dolby Atmos and makes a fine addition to any home theater setup. Apple TV 4K. The Apple TV is, of course, one of the most expensive offerings on our list. As with most Apple items, it's pretty pricey. However, it does bring a lot to the table. The Apple TV offers a very capable 4K Dolby Atmos enabled system that has all the necessary apps one would need for streaming. One of its features is the Apple Single Sign-On, where you log in with your Apple ID and prevents you from having to log in each time for network apps. This works well for the most part, with a couple of issues early on when it initially rolled out. My personal favorite feature of the Apple TV is the TV app, which shows all of the movies and television shows you were watching previously, so you can easily resume watching that show or movie. This works very well because you can easily resume the show without having to search for it by going within the app. The Apple TV is a little pricey, but can be purchased used on eBay, so you can save a few dollars there. I own a couple of these, and I couldn't help but put it on our top 3 list. Rounding on our list is the NVIDIA Shield. This device is still going strong after several years on the market. NVIDIA has done an excellent job of supporting it and providing timely updates. This device is for all the gamers and tinkerers out there, as it has all the basic apps you need, but it also is considered a full-fledged gaming system. Not quite on the level of a PlayStation or an Xbox, but more than you would get from any other streaming device. You can also add external hard drives, you can use it as a DVR, you can also run classic emulators from a NAS. It's the most flexible streaming device out there, and it features NVIDIA's GeForce Now, which has a wide variety of games that users can play. Its gaming library dwarfs anything out there offered by other streaming devices. NVIDIA Shield should be tops on anyone's list for all casual gamers and people who want one device that can do it all. These are our top 3 streaming devices. Do you agree? Are you thinking Amazon Fire TV should be on the list? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. And as always, thanks for watching.